Hi children, good day to you all. Today we are going to see algebraic expressions. The expressions is a concept for this algebra, right? You know what are letters? Letters are A, B, C, D, like that. The alphabets, we call it as letters, right? In here, in algebraic expressions, we call these as variable. And also we have one more thing called constant. Constant is nothing but a fixed value. That is numbers. Okay, and here you people have come across like this, no? X square, x plus y, 2x plus 3y. These things we call it as expression. Okay, these things we call it as expressions. Now we see 2x plus 3y. We have a number here, so we call this as coefficient of x, isn't it? Now let us take this 2x plus 3y. Now we call this as expression. Here we call as expression, and we have two terms. See, one term and two term. Okay, because the variable differs. Okay, we have different variables, so we have two terms. Okay, here we call this 2x. Since the 2 is a constant with x, we call this as coefficient of x. We call this as coefficient. Okay, it name as coefficient. Is it okay, children? We say 2 is the coefficient of x and 3 is other coefficient for y. Okay, now we can say, what is the coefficient of x? We say it is 2. What is the coefficient of y? We say it is 3. Here nothing is there, so we have 1 here. We should analyze that. We have 1 here. So what is the coefficient of x? 1. What is the coefficient of y here? 1. Here, what is the coefficient of this x square? Again 1. Okay, and here we have two terms. I said no, two terms, so we have separated it, 2x and 3y. Now again we call this as terms, right? Now next, now here we have 2, then x. So 2 into x, 2 multiplies x. So we have two factors here. Here also two factors, that is 3 and y. If we have y squared, the power increases, exponential power increases. Again it has two terms only. Here it is 3 squared, but the factor differs. So we have one more y here. Clear? We call this as expression, this as terms, and these as factors. Right, children? Here we have some expressions. See, these are single. X square and 2y, 3x cube. These are single. So only one expression is there. So we call this as monomial. Monomials. Okay. Together we call it as monomials. Single we call it as monomial. And if it is two terms, see, x plus y, 2x squared plus 1 and 3x plus 4y square, like that, we call that as binomials. And trinomials means three terms. That's all. Now one more thing. See, we have 2y here and 5y here. We see these two are same. So we call that as like terms. Okay. Also this x squared, 6x squared and this x squared. Both we call it as like terms. Okay. But these things are unlike terms. Other things are unlike. Okay, if that is different, we call that as unlike. If it is same, we call that as like terms. When we are doing the sum, you could understand it. Okay, already have sent the classwork to you. Please do finish that classwork also. Okay, only one exercise I have sent to you. Please finish that classwork. If it is more than 3 terms, then we call it as polynomials. Polynomial if it is more than 3. See, here we are going to state the reason for like and unlike terms. See, first one, 7x plus 12y. So how it pair 7x and 12y? And then factors. What are the factors? For 7x, we have 7 and x. And for 12y, 12 and y. And we see these are different. So, the algebraic factor same or different? This is different. And we say if it is different, we call that as unlike terms. Okay. So, remarks. What is the remarks? The variable in the terms are different. See next one, 15x and minus 21x. See here also 15x and 21x. These two are same. So we call this as like terms. So the variables in the terms are also same. So this is the remarks we are going to write here. So here we are having two variables, AB and BA. Both are same. AB and BA are same. Here also AB. If we divide this into factor, this is also AB and this is also AB. So we say these are same. So like terms. So remember AB is equal to BA, right? A into B is also equal to AB and B into A is also equal to A into B. Both are same. Yeah, here also they have given the same thing. If you having a doubt, please I will clarify in the class time. Okay. The next thing in the exercise 12.1, see for this you need to know how to pronounce it. You need to know English grammar. Everything is important here. See the first one, how we are going to write the algebraic expressions here. Subtraction of z from y, that is from y, so y minus z. Is it clear? And then 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y, that is 1/2 of x plus y. I have given the classwork. Please see that. If you are having a doubt, you can ask me. I have explained in that fully. Okay, this is based on my explanations here. Please do the sums by yourself. Don't copy the sums directly. Okay, children? Thank you.